A child's brain grows dramatically in the first 5 years of life. Here are some key ways parents can support their child's development. Brain growth is all about making connections. When children experience their world, they build those connections. The first key to brain growth is having diverse experiences. We'll call this key novelty. Experiencing new things for the first time creates connections. The second key is repetition. Doing the same thing over and over reinforces the connection. The third key is downtime, a chance to rest, reflect, and process all that new learning.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go!
So, to support your child's growth and development, make sure they have a healthy balance of novelty, new experiences, repetition, the chance to try things again and again, and downtime to play, rest, and process.